Hello everyone, my name is Sounak and I am student of EIILM-Kolkata and my course is BBA in Hotel and Hospitality Management, and we are preparing for creamy with vegetable pomegranate salad.
So here we go, we have the pomegranate, which is the main ingredient. We have different type of lettuce, that is the iceberg lettuce and the red one, and we have some decoratives such as the eggs, and we have some colorful vegetables such as the capsicum, the bell pepper, the zucchini, cucumber, tomatoes, and we have some spices. We have some roasted chicken. We have already roasted some chicken, so we have some roasted chicken, and there are some ingredients for making the dip. We'll start making the dip and then we'll start with the salad. It's a cold salad, so we will not need the range. We'll just make the dip and we will continue. Please come. We'll put some mayonnaise. We'll put a little bit of honey. We'll put some pepper. Put some salt, put some parsley, put some lemon juice, put some garlic, and put a little bit of hankad. This is the hankad. Now we are going to mix it thoroughly. This is the dressing for the salad. So the dip is ready, yeah? Okay, we'll cut some lettuce. Put the chicken, put some. Steady. Bas, enough. Get the salt and pepper, then put the cherry tomatoes. So put some cherry tomatoes. I'll put the salt and you start mixing it, okay? Now we are going to put the dressing.
Now our salad is ready. Try at home and let us know how is it.
Thank you.
Thank you.